How to create the procured equipment submittals list. The procured equipment submittals are a major part of the contractor documentation submission to the client, a core of the project scope. To create submittals list, select the main menu. Select Submittals and Requests. Click the generic menu. The generic submittals customization window opens. These submittals are tied to the equipment classes and not to the PNID items. The left column is the available submittal types. A new type may be added with the Add button. This column sets the document priority. Instead of approval, you may set for information or notice to proceed status. Creator suggests to include these entries first. Every submittal is tied to the product manufacturing stage. Generic manufacturing schedule includes engineering and manufacturing drawings, materials and components order, parts manufacturing and assembly, and others. Any entry may be mapped to the equipment class or to the item selector introduced by Creator. Item selector implements some selection rule. Item associations like PNID and group are valid inside project. They are stored in database. Selection rules act across all the projects. Creator offers default library of generic item selectors. To map piping to equipment class, click the tab. Select the entries recommended by Creator. Press the Shift button, then select items. Click the Drop button. Click the Apply button. These checked entries have been saved to database. Now we show how to map a submittal to the item selector. Select the Motor tab. Select the submittals to be tied to the selector. Press a Shift and click the first and last items. Click the Drop button. Select all the entries again. Press a Shift, then click the first and last items. Click the Add Rule button. The Rule Selector window opens. Select the large size motors. Click the Apply button. The item selector is added to each entry. Click the Close button. To demonstrate how Creator maps generic submittals to PNID items, select the main menu again. Select Submittals, Requests, and Generic menus. Click, for example, the Piping tab. Select any entry. Click Items to view on-the-fly mapping. Click the Close button. Select any item from the selection list. Right-click to retrieve the pop-up menu. Click the Show Item menu. The PNID opens with the item marked up. To remove any submittal from the list, select Main. Select the generic entry again. Select the entry to be removed. Click the Uncheck button. Thank you.